The owner of a sprawling Gables estate purchased 2 years ago for $25.5 million has decided to sell the property, and he's listed it for a whopping $55 million, more than twice what he paid for it. Originally listed in February 2019 for $68 million, one of South Florida's most iconic properties, a trophy mansion in Miami-Dade County's prestigious Coral Gables Enclave. The property, which is on 1.2 acres in the coveted gated community of Gables Estates, is surrounded on two sides by the sparkling waters of Biscayne Bay, offering 270-degree panoramic views. The foyer showcases hanging crystals illuminated by lighting that demand a double take. A double staircase with clear panels artistically punctuates the space. German engineered wood flooring ties it all together. The kitchen serves up a distinctly modern style with Sub-Zero and meal appliances, a breakfast room, pantry, and custom cabinets. Other features in the home include a wet bar, executive office and library, master suite with ocean views and a private terrace, a custom-built dressing room, and a spa-like master bathroom with a custom marble vanity and walk-in shower. Designed by Miami architect Ramon Pacheco, the two-story contemporary transitional home was built in 2018 and features premium finishes and fixtures, walls of glass, and large elevated terraces. Surrounded by palm trees, the home offers tri-level terraces and a studio arcade designed pool with eye-catching glass mosaic tiles, an outdoor kitchen, and covered dining area.